Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet step by step. First of all, you have to open your any crypto application. For example, I'm using Coinbase, and then you have to click on transfer. Then you have to select the option called receive crypto. From here, you have to select the coin that you want to transfer from your Trust Wallet to your crypto application. For example, I want to transfer USDC, so I will click on USDC. Now on this page, it will show me an address. All I have to do is click the copy button on the address, and then I will open my Trust Wallet. Once the Trust Wallet app is opened, all you have to do is select the coin that you want to transfer. For example, I will select USDC. A new page will open. From here, you have to select the send button. Click on it. On this page, you have to select the paste button to paste the coin address, which we have just copied from the previous application. And after that, you have to enter the amount of the coin. For example, in my case, USDC amount that I want to transfer from my Trust Wallet to my Coinbase. After that, you have to click on next. And then you have to click on transaction details. On this page, it will show you the status of your payment. Once the status has been changed from pending to success, all you have to do is open your Coinbase application once again, and then you have to click on the transaction button on the bottom right corner. A new page will open. On this page, you have to select buy and sell. On this page, you have to enter the amount of your coin that you want to transfer. You can also select sell all if you want to sell all of your coin. On this page, all you have to do is click on sell now. Now your order has been submitted and your crypto is being now converting into cash. Click on done, go back, and this time select the Cash app, which is on the top of your screen just beside crypto. Then you have to select United States dollar. Click on it. A new page will open. All you have to do is click on withdraw. On this page, you have to select your bank account to which you want to transfer. After that, you can either enter the manual amount or you can also select withdraw maximum amount. Click on review. A new page will open to show you all of the transaction details. All you have to do is click on withdraw cash now, and you have successfully transferred or withdraw money from your Trust Wallet to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.